Sarana pertahanan udara Rusia menghancurkan 11 kendaraan udara tak berawak Ukraina di dekat Topolskoye, Dimitrovka, Novaya Gnilisa, Malaya Kamisevka, Polisi Prokhodi, wilayah Kharkov. Juru bicara militer Rusia, Letnan Jenderal Igor Konashenkov, pada 23 Juli merilis video rekaman pertahanan udara Rusia berjejer dipersiapkan menangkis serangan yang datang. Dari kubu Ukraina, Kementerian Pertahanan merilis 240 prajurit Rusia dieliminir dalam 24 jam terakhir. Total 39.240 prajurit Kremlin tewas sejak awal invasi 24 Februari lalu hingga hari 150 konflik. Total 221 jet tempur, 188 helikopter Rusia dieliminir angkatan bersenjata Ukraina, termasuk 1.708 tank dihancurkan. Perkembangan lain, Amerika Serikat menambah paket bantuan senilai kurang lebih 4 triliun rupiah ke Ukraina, termasuk 4 HIMARS dan 500-an drone untuk membantu Kiev mengusir penjajah Rusia.
As of today, we have transferred 12 HIMARS to Ukraine. This is part of more than 20 that the United States and our allies have committed. Trained also are 200 Ukrainians on the HIMARS, and that training continues with many more.
Russia has tried and failed to break the morale of the Ukrainian armed forces as they defend their home. Ukraine's leadership also stands unbowed and unflinching. And we were fortunate today to have the opportunity to hear directly from my good friend, Oleksiy Reznikov, Ukraine's Minister of Defense.